New girl start ask some wicked questions, me not lie.
What kind of questions a girl is monkey?
Last night, she looked me dead in my eye and they say, who the hell is Shanice and why she still have your TIN number?
Bomba!
Me tell her me don't know Shanice. She say, then why your ringtone say baby mother don't answer? Me say it's a prank. My cousin set it. All heap of lies, me telling just we survive.
Style!
She say, why you got a baby bottle in your gym bag? Me say, that a my new pre-workout, me on the alkaline plan now.
Style!
But she ain't lie no more, my brain mash up. Every time she blink, me forget the last thing. Me say, she gaslighting me own lies. If me answer one more question, me go and evaporate like curry goat in a fridge. My brain tired, my soul tired, my SIM card tired. Every day a new accusation. Me can't even say good morning without getting a cross-examine like me in Judge Judy court.
Style!
Loki, me did better off with Shanice. At least she cooked my food before she cussed me.